Is this thing on? What's up, fellas and ladies? So today I'm actually going to make a video about installing my new CTS turbo intake and also my CTS turbo muffler delete. I got these two products. One of them, the intake, I got it today, and the CTS turbo muffler delete, I got it yesterday by the mail. So it's night. I was planning to do this earlier today, but things happened. So right now, at the moment, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the intake first, and then afterwards I'm gonna install the muffler delete. And yeah, so I'm very excited. It's baby steps that I'm taking to like modify my car. The car that I'm driving, it's a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. So far, you know, this car has been awesome to me. I've been taking good care of her. I've been wanting this car like since forever, ever since I heard about the GLI. So yeah, let's get this started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the intake first, and afterwards I'm gonna be working on the CTS turbo muffler delete. Let's get this started.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me bleed. All of the pain seems to follow like like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed.
I finished installing this, the turbo muffler delete, right there. So I'm gonna be putting back everything, including this this tube right here. That's what it came with the kit, and these I guess O-rings or something. I don't know what they're called, to be honest, but I'll just call them O-rings. And then I'm gonna be putting this back to this pancake tube, which sucks. I don't know why Volkswagen would do this, but this is what causes a bottleneck. The car will not go on its full potential with this having around. But anyway, that's a different topic. This right here is the turbo muffler. So this came out from the turbo. So as you can see here, the difference between this one and the one I just installed right over there. This part right here has little, as you can see here, like little gaps in there right there. So these gaps creates turbulence when the turbo compresses the cold air. It passes through here, which leads to the intercooler. So with these gaps having around here, it creates some kind of turbulence. And when that turbulence happens, it muffles out the sound of the turbo, but also what I heard is that it loses some of its power. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I'm correct on that. You guys can correct me down below in the comment section, but yeah, so that's kind of the reason why I wanted to get the turbo muffler, not because of losing the power, but also I wanted to hear the turbo spool a little bit louder. Obviously when you have a car with the turbo, you obviously want to hear it spool. So anyway, so I'm gonna put this stuff back how it was, and after that I'm gonna put the lining here because right now it's all naked and stuff. So I'm gonna put this back. Alrighty, so it's done. Everything's back as it was. Let me see if I can grab something here. No, I can't. Well, you guys can see everything's back how it was. Let me see. Okay. You guys can see it down there. Right there. So everything's back how it was. Okay. So now I have to put this lining back how it was. And obviously my wheel. So far, the intake it's done, including the secondary air intake as well. So my baby's ready to go. So we'll do a little test drive and see how it goes. Good morning, fellas and ladies. So I just finished putting up the intake and the turbo muffler delete. It's about 4:30 in the morning, I believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna give out a little test on the car, see how she goes, and yeah, so everything was successful. no check engine light, nothing. Everything's good. So I just took it out of the garage. I didn't really test it out, to rev it or anything like that, because I got neighbors and I don't want to wake them up and get them mad. So I'm gonna go out and just give it a shot and see how it sounds. We'll see how this goes. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video. As you can see, my editing stuff is pretty noobish. A couple of days ago I got a Canon EOS 80D DSLR camera, and this camera is awesome. As a matter of fact, I can take very high quality pictures and videos, and I really want to start getting into that photography field and videography field too. Thanks again for watching this video, and thank you for sticking around, and hope you enjoyed my little progress on my car. I'm gonna be making more videos on my channel. I'm continuing on putting new mods on my car. Hopefully I can post more videos frequently, since buying some good stuff for my car is not cheap. It's a bit high on my budget, but still, if you'd like to see more videos like this, seeing my car work in progress, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you liked it. If you didn't, hit the dislike button, to be honest. Also, you can leave any comment, you can leave any compliments. If you didn't like something about my edit, please be free to do so. Anything, just tell me anything in the comment section below. But then again, thank you so much guys. Hope to see you guys next time. Oh, and one more thing, I might upload another video tomorrow or the following day. You'll get to see the before and after on my car when it comes to the intake. You'll get to hear the before, how it was before the intake install, and then you'll get to see the after, and then you'll get to see my car on the go with the intake, the aftermarket intake. But unfortunately I did not make a video when the car is going before installing the intake, so sorry about that. I should have thought of that before. I just thought of this like the last minute. But anyways, hope to see you guys soon. Take care. See you next time.